So here's how you can add focus on your iPad. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more so you don't miss videos like this one. Anyways, in order to add focus, we at first need to have it like available in the control center so you can quickly add it. So just go to the control center as such and make sure you have the focus mode right there. If not, just tap on a plus and add it from the available toggles. But when you click in here, you can see I can turn on any of the focus modes which I currently have available. If you want to add like a new one, which is a valid thing, like a lot of people want to create and customize their own, you can open up the settings app and find the focus mode when you scroll down just a little bit and you have some existing focus modes. Right, so you have a couple of them which already are part of the iPad by default, but you also have some of them which can be created, on your own and customized. Like there is a limit. It's not like you can't create like as many as you want, but you can most definitely tap the plus button in at the top right and set up your own focus mode. So you would choose perhaps from those existing platforms or click on custom and give it a name or, the icon, background, all of that. You kind of like set it up and then essentially you just go through the setup process. So you decide which people are supposed to be blocked and which notifications you wish to be delivered still and so on, right? All of the other regular things about the focus modes. So that's how you can set it up on your own and like kind of like add a new one to your iPad. And then also the regular scheduling options are available and you can turn it on from the control center as I've shown you at the beginning. So it all works and that's how you can just create a new one. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's going to be about it. And I hope to see you later in the next videos too.